Here's a tour of the bird nests around our yard. First, Mama Robin. Then our second Mama Robin. Nest number 3. Then my favorite, Mama Housefinch. Did you fly off? Yeah. This is my favorite. I check on her every single morning. See if she's awake or asleep. Sometimes when she's asleep, she'll duck down in. When she's awake, you can see her. And then the bird nest we saved, which is right over here. I'll put it back in the tree, and we're hoping the eggs will hatch and the Mama Robin will come back and feed them their eggs. Next, we will check these ones out. The top fell down a few weeks ago, but now it's back up, so we're hoping maybe they will still be there, but I don't really know if we'll be able to see them in there. But hopefully. Hope you liked them.